southwest monsoon intensifies across India, warning of heavy rain in several states. The India Meteorological Department has forecast heavy rainfall tomorrow over Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, East Rajasthan, Himachal Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh. Parts of Delhi, Haryana, Chandigarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Odisha, Saurashtra, Kutch, Uttarakhand and northeastern states are also expected to receive moderate to heavy rainfall tomorrow. And further predicted thunder squalls tomorrow over parts of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, coastal Karnataka, north interior Karnataka and Telangana. Meanwhile, Delhi NCR witnessed a sudden change in weather this afternoon with moderate rainfall lashing several parts of the region, bringing much needed relief from the humid weather.